Front door. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, pass.
Don't take your picture.
Welcome back sa ating channel. Happy Saturday! And kita nyo naman guys is nakabihis na naman sa atin nyo kasi maglalakwatsa na naman tayo today. Kasi nga Sabado guys, so walang work. Kaya ito lang yung time natin para maglakwatsa is. So ayan, naka-makeup sa atin nyo guys. O, diba? Parang ano lang, ikakasal lang. Ito pala yung contact lens na bagong bili ko guys. Yung sa last week ba yun? Oh, last week ko binili. Pero, first time ko siyang sinuot, guys. And, I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. But I think Mike likes it, guys. So, ayan siya. Hindi ba siya masyadong bright, guys, para sa mata ko? Kasi minsan, guys, pag too bright, it looks like parang iring, guys, ba? Ayan. Anyways, ipapakita ko yung outfit natin today. Ito yung outfit natin for today, guys. Ayan. Actually, kinulot ko pala yung buhok ko, guys, all for a change. So, ito yung top natin. I really like this top, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. This is so me. I know, very springy yung print niya, guys, kasi flowers and everything. But, whatever, guys. Who cares naman, guys, no? And, again, my gisi-gisi jeans I have on. And my white sandals. Ayan. So, yan lang, guys, yung outfit natin. And, hindi ko pa alam kung anong bag yung gagamitin ko, guys. And ito pala si Paris, guys, oh. Hi, sweetie girl. Ang buhok is kakag is. Is that your watch? That's daddy's watch.
Huh?
Ayan yung outfit niya, guys, oh. Move there a little bit, nakbe.
Right.
Oh, but Paris put the watch. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, naka-dress siya, guys. Tapos naka-black boots lang siya, ayan. Hi, Nak. Is that your watch? I think that's too big for you, Baba.
A big one.
Big one.
A big one.
Hala, daddy man, anak. Do you wanna watch? Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Oh.
My watch.
Your watch?
My watch.
That's daddy's watch.
No, mommy. My toy. My
Put on, be. The other one?
bed.
Hang on.
My bed.
The other one?
My. No.
No?
Put on.
Put on, okay, mama, put on. Put on ko daw, guys. Dako, man kay nak. Too big.
I said. Like this.
Like that, it's too big. Alam niyo ba, guys, kung saan yung lakad natin today? Pupunta kami ng Nariwaran today, guys. And, imimit namin for the first time ang friendship natin na si Jezz, Xiel. So, isa rin siyang, guys, YouTuber. And, nagkakilala kami sa YouTube, guys. And then, nagkataon lang na hindi kami malayo sa isa't isa, guys. Yes, anak?
Mommy.
What's the time?
A blue.
What's the time?
It's blue one.
A blue one. So, yun na nga, guys. Nagkataon lang na we're not far from each other. So, napag-isipan namin na mag-meet kasi palagi na lang kaming chat-chat, ganon-ganon. So, sabi namin, okay, pupunta kami sa bahay nila instead of sila yung magbisita sa amin dito. So, maybe next time, next meeting namin, sila yung pupunta dito sa bahay namin. But this time, guys, kami yung pupunta dun sa kanila. And sabi ni Jezz, daw, yung mga friendship din niya na nag-YouTube din, in-invite din niya. So, we will meet few friends today, guys. So, I'm very excited. And also, Paris is going to meet baby Jake. Nak? Are you going to meet baby Jake, Nak? Si Jake, guys, is yung anak ni, ni Jezz. And I think he's 3 years old. So, he's just a year older than Paris. Ang lighting is very, nag-change siya, guys. Uy, kaya mukha tayong patay ngayon, guys. Oh. Anyways, before kami gugora sa kanila, guys, gusto ni Mike na mag-stop muna sa shops kasi may gusto siyang bilhin. And then, that's it. So, ito yung outfit ni Mike din today, guys. So, ayan. Naka-white lang siya na shirt and black jeans. And ayan si Paris siyang. So, that's the family. Family portrait. Come on, nak. Let's go na, nak. Honey! Ayan si Paris, guys. Oh. Hello. I love your dress. What's the color of your dress? We're here now, guys. Ayan, nilalabas lang ni Daddy si Paris. Here na, guys. Sorry. Hi. Ayan na, guys. Ito na kami sa chance to na. Punta lang kami sa, ewan ko kung anong bibilihin ni Mike. Daming tao, grabe. Super. Sasakyan na kami ulit, guys. Ayan, si Mike, pinalabas ko na lang muna kasi nakalimutan ko magdala ng wet wipes para kay Paris, guys. Baka makaudo siya, guys. Kaya yun, pinabili ko na lang si Mike quickly sa Kohl's. And nagbili pala kami ng cake, guys. Chocolate cake lang siya para dalhin namin kasi nakakaya naman magpunta doon ng walang dala-dala. Kaya yung maliit lang na cake. At pag nakarating na si Mike, guys, alis na tayo. Time check, guys. 1 o'clock na pala siya, guys. Pero yung drive papunta sa kanila, guys, around lang naman, less than 30 minutes. So it's okay. Madali lang siya. Mabilis lang yung drive. I can't wait, guys. Like, I'm very, very excited kasi alam mo yung para kayong parang nag-chat-chat, date. Parang dating online lang ba? Tapos ngayon, mag-meet na kayo in person. That's really good. It's really nice. I'm very, very excited. Dito na kami, guys, sa labas ng bahay ni Madam Jezz. Ito pala yung binili namin, guys, para kay Baby Jake. Sana magustuhan niya. Alright, let's go in. We're at the front door. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, first.
Hi guys! Welcome sa aming bahay. Char. So this is Jezz, guys.
Hi guys!
Hello, ayan. Check niyo yung channel niya, guys. Ilagay ko yung niya, guys. Dito. Saan? Everywhere. Hello, anak!
Hi, Baba!
Ayan na si Paris, guys. Feeling at home kayo eh. Nak! Imong balay na?
Te, have some?
Sige, okay na tayo.
Ano pa?
Ayan, guys, nagluto kami. Hindi dahil siya pala. Siya lang pala, guys. Nagtingin lang pala ako. ng spring roll. Ayan. Tapos, naghihintay pa kami ng ibang mga friends na darating. Hindi ko friends, guys, ha. Magiging friends ko pala.
Oo.
Friends niya. But, alam niyo, guys, this is the first time na nag-meet kami.
First time, guys.
Yes, I know.
Bago pa kay Ate Jovi.
Ay lang ko, no? Rapunzel, ikaw ba yan? Model sa, Crimson. Hello, Daddy. When did we...
Got no idea. I think I commented on your video first. Because I remember I was searching Filipinas in Melbourne. Tapos gawa si Mong channel.
There you go. And now, we gain friends through YouTube. Kaya thank you, YouTube.
Hindi pa may sikat, guys. Pero good friendship mo.
Yeah, I know. Masikat kami one day. You will see us in mag-meet and greet ta, Char. Meet and greet mga mga sikat. Ayan, guys, may meat. Merong mga food dito. Hi, guys. Gagawa kami ng kape kasi very cold sa labas. Ayan si Madam,
Madam Kilay.
Kape ko lang good, guys, na kape.
Would you like coffee? Yes, please.
Ito na, smell tayo. Rice na, ay, rice na.
Rice. Rice is life. Huwag na nakalimutan yung rice.
Ayan, it's cooking. Guys, ayan, may bagong friendship na tayo. Hello. Meron pa isa.
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel. Ay, magkape-kape muna tayo. Mga nanay, magkape sa Ang nanay, magkape sa hapon na.
Hi! Hey, hi! Maybe lang ano.
Wala, bagong friends nga mga kuan, mga Australian.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Please do subscribe.
Nahubog na siya guys, oh. Tayang kape. Mapa ko nahuman pa.
Para kanino ka bumaba? Para sa Sal.
Para sa pamilya agad.
Para magtrabaho dito.
Para sa pamilya man eh.
Walang choice, magtrabaho di ay.
Si madam, oh, naghawid na ang kuan.
Ako yung bubog na.
Bug na siya. Dahil isa sige pa nag-live.
Propaganda!
Don't take your picture. Just want them to touch this one.
This is a video though, it's okay.
Follow me, baby.
Baby. Nakataga ka na. Careful, baba.
Thank you, Emily.
Oh, nagluluto na ang mga chef.
Hindi kaya ano?
Pwede na dyan ko mag-babysitter.
Pwede na gid siya mag-anak.
Pwede na.
Gid jud babysitter la ang bata si Paris, oh, nagmanya. Close mo na. Close mo, Day.
Wala bang mahaba na ano? Asan yung mahaba na gamit?
Luto na sila ng check-in. Check-in.
Asan yung mahaba na kaninang ano?
Luto sa check-in.
Ayan, nakabunan.
Ano ba talaga to?
Ito.
Tongs or tongs?
Uy! That's dirty. Ay, yeah, shoot! Yeah, you have another one.
Okay, the other one.
Thank you, Jess.
Siba.
Tongs.
Tongs.
Lamig jud kita ni ang kuan ba kay mga gwapa kaya nagluto, oh.
Sexy.
Mga model.
Here, mga ito na yan. Thanks, Jess. Parang ang layo ng paglagay ko. Dapat ganun.
Kaunan da.
Eh, may lasa pa na.
May lasa.
Amoy
barbecue.
You're so yummy.
Ah, sa. Ito asawa ko, oh. Flavor barbecue.
Mga
Fish. Pili lang ngayon. Pwede siya. God, mga mahaling mga biyanin nila.
Wait lang, hindi ko na
Para siya 50 lang, 50.
Pangkapi lang, pangkapi.
Wait lang.
Hindi. I-trial sa kon, oh, background ni Jezz. Gabi ang flower, oy. Floral kayo.
Ay,
Ayan.
di yan.
Picture pa more. Picture pa more.
Look at auntie. Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Huwag siya kailag auntie. Uy, titam na yan.
Tita ba?
Say, cheese!
Yeah.
Egg yolk!
Si Jackie yung.
Yeah, it's flower. Color pink. Blue. Green.
Anch. Sabi ka siya, anch.
Orange.
Anch. Say bye-bye, tita. Thank you for having us. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pero time check tayo guys ha. It is currently 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Kakauwi lang namin galing kina Jezz. So I just wanna say thank you sa host namin for tonight, si Jezz and Pete. Thank you very much for having us. Salamat sa food. And really had fun, and also I had a pleasure to meet all the girls. Hello Juna, Anne, and Em. It's so nice meeting you all mga girls, and hopefully that's not the last time. Hopefully mag-catch up pa tayo next time. Ang aking anak ay very suki because hindi siya nakatulog kanina. She didn't get a chance to take her nap this afternoon kasi ano na guys, nabaguhan siguro siya sa bahay, hindi siya makatulog, pinadede ko, pero iyak pa rin siya nag-iyak. But I'm just gonna get her ready now, and also me, I feel tired na rin guys. Ayun, yung mata ko masakit na sa contact lens guys. Feel ko dry na siya. Ayan, I might do a bit of cleaning before going to bed. And Sunday naman bukas guys, so wala kaming work. So it's okay na mag-stay up late kami tonight. But overall, I had a very nice day. I had fun. full of laughters, and I really love meeting all the girls, and it makes me so happy na nadagdagan na naman yung mga friends ko. But we had so much food tonight, guys. Like, seriously, ang dami talagang pagkain. Pero, yung nadiskitahan ko talaga, guys, is yung sa tawag ito paksiw na isda ba, guys, parang inununan. And kasi tulingan siya, very Filipino ba, so yun talaga yung kinain ko, and rice. And meron pa kasi mga naiwan na mga pagkain. Yung binitbit ko talaga, guys, is yung isda na paksiw, kasi favorite ko talaga yun. Once again, thank you, Jezz and Pete and Baby Jake for having us tonight. Next time, dito naman tayo sa bahay. Maglilinis muna kami kasi yung bahay namin is parang binagyuhan. Kaya, yeah, next time, dito naman tayo sa bahay. I-end na natin yung vlog dito, guys, kasi it's getting late. And again, as mentioned, si Paris is getting suki na. I have to put her to bed para makatulog na siya kasi she's very, very tired as her mother. But, before that, guys, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang ating mga bagong viewers, mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa mga videos natin. And sana hindi kayo magsawang suportahan kami, guys, because we really, really appreciate your support. And let's start with shoutout to our friendship M's Journey. Hello, Day! Shoutout to Marisol Dayaw, Maria Biahera, Junray Gikan, Catalina Mempin, Gwen Christensen, Joy Pangan, Warren Valerio, Marie 22 Blue, Odessa Donghil, shout out to Marilyn Drudge, Rosemay Hewlin, Donna Ladera, Maribel Patiag, Rosette Paciente, Red Sibial, Shanjo Kitchen, Gina Soles, Aima Kisachi, Joanne Ambe, Rosemary Romoir, Mary Jane Subere, Christine Joy Tabak, Mary Jane Torno, April Rose Romero, Cindy Tan, Lolis Family, Hiladay, Janet Gordon, Catherine Sumahit, Raymac Arts and Crafts, Lizelle Iga. Yun lang, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!